Good Modicare morning. Come, let's meet some doctors in this multi-speciality hospital.
Hi, I am Dr. Shruti Khaneja and I am a prosthodontist. I have been associated with Modicare since a long time and I have been using their well range, which is quite effective. Today I'll be talking about all plant protein powder. Basically, what are proteins? Proteins are the biological essence of life and every cell of the body contains proteins. But 73% of the urban India is deficient of proteins. Now, why proteins are important? They make a very important component of the muscles, bones, skin, hair, as well as vital fluids of the body, that is blood. They are also important for growth and tissue repair, and as well as for a proper running of the metabolism of the body and to keep our energy up. Now, if we talk about the product, that is the all plant-based proteins, it contains 84% of the protein. The powder is made up of soy, wheat and yellow pea, which has been procured from US, Belgium, Italy as well as France and has been manufactured from one of the topmost companies of India, that is DuPont. इसमें कोई cholesterol नहीं है, it is fat free, it has no added sugar, preservatives and no added flavor and it has no added color as well. One of the point that I would like to emphasize on is that it is ideal for people who are lactose intolerant as it is made from dairy free formula. हमारी आजकल की ज़िंदगी में इतनी भागदौड़ मची हुई है कि जो हम रोज़ खाना खाते हैं उससे हमारे शरीर की ज़रूरतें बिल्कुल भी पूरी नहीं हो पाती, इसीलिए हमें ये सारे सप्लीमेंट्स लेने बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. जो ऑल प्रोटीन पाउडर है इसमें हमारे सारे के सारे 9 एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स हैं जो कि हमारे शरीर के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. ये पाउडर हमारे पानी में बिल्कुल अच्छे से घुल जाता है, बिल्कुल भी कोई लम्प्स नहीं बनते और लेने में भी बहुत आसान है. आई वुड रिकमेंड एवरीवन टू टेक ऑल प्लांट प्रोटीन पाउडर फॉर अ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. अब हम इसकी एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन देखेंगे कि मार्केट में अवेलेबल बाकी प्रोटीन पाउडर से ये कैसे बेटर है. मैंने 1 स्कूप ऑल प्लांट प्रोटीन पाउडर का लिया. अब हम दूसरा प्रोटीन पाउडर लेंगे जो हमारे मार्केट में ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है. इसका भी हम 1 स्पून लेंगे. आप देख सकते हैं कि ऑल प्लांट प्रोटीन पाउडर बहुत जल्दी मिक्स हो गया और उसमें कोई लम्प्स नहीं बने. उसके कंपैरेटिवली मुझे दूसरा प्रोटीन पाउडर मिक्स करने में बहुत समय लगा और इसमें लम्प्स भी बन रहे हैं. आफ्टर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑल प्लांट प्रोटीन पाउडर, आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस वन मोर प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज द इंटेलेक्ट. जैसे जैसे हमारी उम्र बढ़ती जाती है हमारी याददाश्त कमज़ोर होती जाती है. वी हैव अ मेजर मेमोरी लॉस, हमें पुरानी बातें याद नहीं रहती. सो दिस प्रोडक्ट इज बेसिकली एन एंटी एजिंग प्रोडक्ट which also contains antioxidants. It improves our immune system as well and it improves our circulatory system as well. ये हमारी ब्रेन की हेल्थ को बहुत अच्छा करता है, हमारी ओवरऑल बॉडी हेल्थ भी इससे इम्प्रूव होती है. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड दैट मिडिल एज लोग जो हैं वो इसको अपनी डेली रूटीन में लें और अपना बॉडी हेल्थ इससे इम्प्रूव करें. Modicare has a very wide range of wellness supplements which I would recommend that everyone should take as per their requirement, and all these products are very safe to use.
Hello everyone, I am Garima Chawla. I am a pediatrician. As we all know, proteins are an important part of our diet and kids are in active period of growth. So they need adequate supplements to ensure they have a proper growth. But then these days kids are very fussy and due to busy lifestyle of the parents and due to unhealthy eating habits, they hardly take any proper nutrition. So I strongly recommend Strong and Smart, a well supplement from Modicare. It has proteins, vitamins, minerals, everything in adequate amount, which is safe for your children, has sweetener extracts from natural sources and is in chocolate flavor. That is absolutely safe for your kids. Another product that I would recommend is Detox from Well range of Modicare. It helps us to cleanse our body, detoxify our cells, and as we all know, we all have a very unhealthy lifestyle. I would recommend because I have been using it and my husband also has been using it for the past 1 year. It's completely safe and very effective.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Karan Khaneja. I am a dentist by profession, BDS and MDS, specialized in aesthetic dentistry and root canal specialist. Today I'll be talking about some great products from Modicare. As we know that in today's world, it is a stressful life. We are always in a hurry to go to our office to achieve targets. And in that hurry and impatience, we always lack some of the nutritional values. We are always in a hurry. We don't take our proper breakfast, lunch and dinner. So it is always advised that we should take supplements to fulfill our body metabolism. Today I am going to talk about two products from the Modicare Wellness Supplements. One is the ginseng and calcium. So ginseng, it is a most important product for nutrition for the body. It contains genocides and it is a proper adaptogen. So the most important function or the feature of ginseng is that it revitalizes the body, it rejuvenates and it reduces the stress from the body. Another product is the calcium. So the calcium, it contains vitamin B2, vitamin K, and calcium is the most important nutrition for the body. It helps in the development of the bone. It also maintains the calcium absorption and the absorption in the blood. Calcium also is important for the teeth. As I am a dentist, so I would be particular in that. There are many cases in which the patients, they always complain of weak teeth or mobility in the teeth. So generally when the tests are being performed, they are always deficient of the calcium. You should use these two products in your daily routine life, as I have been using, to maintain the nutrition balance and happiness in your life.
Using Modicare products has been a wonderful experience for me. In the end, I would like to conclude by saying that people who have not used Modicare products should go ahead and use the Well range. It is great and completely safe to use.
Even the doctors recommend Well products from Modicare. I suggest that all of us should try and recommend these products. Stay fit, stay healthy.